Hi, this is AMLI 300, and we are going to show you our C4A two-bedroom floor plan today. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So what we have here is stainless steel appliances. These are going to come in unit. They're all going to be Energy Star. So it's going to save you per month on water usage and electricity usage. Here we do have a 48-hour service guarantee. So if you put in a service request, we have 48 hours to get back to you, or there's a credit in it for you. We also have washer and dryer in units. That will be full and not static, and that will come in every apartment. All of our apartments also have hardwood floors throughout and granite tops. So this is the living room, and we'll have a considerable amount of space. So if you want, we'll go into the master bedroom here. This is going to be the master bedroom. It has its own private bathroom in it. The bathroom is equipped with a dual vanity, garden style tubs, a linen closet, and a considerable size closet with a built-in shelf. Over here we have our guest bedroom. As you can see, there's still a very considerable size square footage. This one will have a guest entry bathroom. So you'll have two entrances, one from the bedroom, one from out the bedroom, and it has a really nice sized closet with another built-in shelf. We do have valet trash, one for the recycling and one for the actual trash. Basically, it's just a service where we come pick it up. You stick it outside your door around 8 o'clock, and we'll come pick it up. This is an extra $28 charge, which does include pest control.